Good morning, party people. It is Thursday and we are chilling. We just woke up. Can you tell? I'm having a late start to my morning, guys. I had to sleep in. Yesterday was my anniversary. I've been with my husband now for 4 years. So we had to celebrate and have an anniversary dinner last night. It was cute and sweet and simple, right here at home. Now, where are we going next? Mommy wants to take a shower. You think Mommy can work out today? With her bubble sugar?
Sleep in my hands. Took so many years, I'm just waiting for the wins. I do it for real, there's no reason to pretend. If I do it once, I do it again. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. You matter what.
Today is a rainy day. It's really nice to have a rainy day, actually, but with the gloomy weather, it kind of makes me not want to do anything productive. Today's Thursday, which kind of feels like my Friday because I work Monday through Thursday and then Saturday. So it's really like Thursday feels like the start of my weekend, and I just have a little Saturday shift in there to do in the middle of my weekend, which is okay because the Saturdays are usually slow. So it works out. We can go for a walk in the rain. Dancing in the rain. Let's put some Aquaphor on your face. That's what I do need to do. Aquaphors. You can't stick your fingers in the Aquaphor. For those who are following our eczema journey, Malachi and I both have consistent eczema flare-ups throughout the year. And during this time of the year, mine typically starts to get worse the colder it gets. And right now it's chilling. I just did wake up and I'm due for a retwist. So my hair is just looking jank, but my eczema is And Malachi's eczema is, how's your eczema doing? Of course, he has to pick up the camera. Okay, it's time to go eat breakfast. Are you hungry, Sugar Butt? Yeah, let's go. Yeah, thank you, Sugars. You always do such a good job with that. No high fives yet? Okay, that's fine. You want to open the next one? Okay. That one's you. Don't pull on it. You gotta open it. Look. Open. Yay. You see outside? It's raining. Oh, don't pull on it. them what outside looks like. This is the remains of a great anniversary dinner and game night. It's called Your Worst Nightmare. I would say I fear abandonment, failure, then falling, then exams. That's the order that I would fear these 4 things. But your partner who's playing the game with you, they're going to fear things in a different order. So you gotta write down on here what order your fears are, and then they write down, and then you write down what you think theirs is going to be. And they do the same for you, and you both see which ones you got right. It's a good get to know you game. I have not wanted to post it, or I have not wanted to film anything for YouTube vlog wise lately, because, especially in the morning, because unfortunately my baby boy is going through this time period of deciding whether he wants to eat people food or baby food. It's very scary as a mom, this time period of watching your baby not want to eat, or not knowing what it is that he does want to eat because he can't communicate with me yet. I obsessed over this child's eating habits ever since breastfeeding him. Straight out the womb, the second he came out, he was ready to nurse. And then I obsessed with breastfeeding and making sure he was fed for a long, long time. I obsessed with making sure that he, got baby food. And now the doctor says it's time for him to transition. Kai, chill. The doctor says it's time for him to transition into eating more regular food. It's just like, it's a whole thing. Anyway, I know. It's just that I don't want to have to share this part of my morning because it's so confusing and long and drawn out and loud. What do you want to eat this morning? We're finished with the breakfast shenanigans. Both of us have gotten a chance to eat. I had the chance to clean the kitchen and a few other areas of the house that needed cleaning. I need to go and clean my office before work starts. Work starts in about an hour or so. I want to go tidy up my office, take a shower, a quick shower. My nanny, she comes and hangs out with him right when I'm supposed to go to work. And then he goes down for his nap about an hour or two later. Then in the afternoon, while Malachi's napping, I work some more. And then his dad gets home and I work until 8 o'clock. I don't know what his new thing is with this pulling on the shades. That's his favorite thing to do.
You melt the ice behind my stone cold eyes. I turn to ashes, but only just sometimes. Inhale your smoke, but you still act surprised. It's not my fault when we end up capsized. You call me crazy now, but you don't understand. I'm calling out to you. Can you hear a thing? 'Cause you lit the match that ignites the flame. I'm the TNT, but you're the spark to blame. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain. Feel the fire, heat that melts us down again. Now it's pouring through my veins, but I said you're the spark to blame. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain.
Let's go check on the baby. Hi, Kai. You okay? Mommy's all clean. I am going to quickly tidy up my office before we go on this walk, because as soon as I get back, I'm gonna have to clock in. So I just wanna have everything ready before we leave out of here. Let's go clean my office real quick. Garbage and water bottle and Kai's things. And your child is yelling at you, telling you to hurry up, and he can't even talk yet. Who are you talking to? Hmm? It's crazy. Here I am thinking we're going on a rainy day walk, and all the gloominess just went away. It's just gone. Which is okay with me. I'm okay, happy the sun comes out, but like, I was in a certain vibration for the day, you know? The rain was supposed to mean, hang on, I'm coming. The rain was supposed to mean that it was gonna get cooler outside, cooler temperatures out here in Texas. And I don't know, if the raininess is gone already, I don't know how cool we can expect things to actually get this weekend. They were saying it was supposed to be like really chilly come Saturday, and it's Thursday and our overcast just went away. Whatever. Wait for mama to work. Yes. You smell like a poopy stink. You wanted water. Mommy wants to go for a walk. Let's compromise. You drink your water on our walk. Dada's home.
How you doing?
Welcome home.
What up, boy? What up, boy? That's not how you do that. How about you going to walk?
Yeah, it's a short walk because I gotta be back to work. See what's good. What's really good. I try to find productive, fun things to do on my break, whether it's a walk, whether it's, working on a video or something like that. It's probably on a lunch break that I edited this video. There's no designated mama time. You gotta make that time. Like Kai Sugar? Thursdays kind of are slow because I have a team meeting during one of the busiest hours of the shift. Then by the time I'm done, once I'm done with the team meeting, then I have lunch break right now. But by the time I get back, this is gonna be the slower part of the shift. It'll be like almost 5:30, and by about 5:30 p.m., the calls really slow down. Early in my shift, I get a high volume of calls, and then the later it gets, the less the calls are. It's pretty smooth. It's not bad. And I get to hang out with you guys in between. Right, Kai? Right, Kai Sugar? Where are you going? You want to go home back to Dada? You want to go back to Dada? Come on, let's go. Okay. See you later, Baba Sugar. Come visit me when you can.
How are you, skies above? Gee, it's great to be alive and love.
I'm on my last break now. Let's see what's going on out here. Little sugar. I don't know why he's getting mad every time he sees himself on camera right now. Sadiq went to go get us some takeout. Since it feels like Friday to me right now, I do not feel like cooking. Who cooks Friday night? Come on. Ready? Ready? Spaghetti! Say hi to me. I always get chicken with lots of vegetables and stuff. With like, let me see. Yeah, I get chicken. You hear Malachi? I get chicken, white rice, the corn, the pico. I get guacamole, lettuce, and cheese, and then the hot sauce.
Really spicy.
There's also one on the dish rack. Okay. I always tell myself I'm gonna refill these, and I forget, so I'm gonna do it real quick while I'm waiting for my food. I'm weird about that, guys. I cannot eat my food cold. Not like any meal that's supposed to be served hot, I need it to be served to me hot. Don't give me no cold mac and cheese or a cold burger or a cold lasagna. Lasagna is an amazing food, okay? It's versatile. Almost anyone can make a good tasting lasagna. The only thing that makes lasagna taste bad is when it's served cold. Well, that was another day in my life, guys. Thank you for joining me for another episode. I hope that you guys enjoyed this, and if you did, please make sure to hit like and subscribe. And you know what? Go ahead and share it with a friend if you think you know someone who might enjoy the videos. Until next time, guys, stay well. Peace. Let's go get you some aqua for us, Bubba Sugar.